Is raising cattle profitable? Stick around and find out. The most successful large-scale cattle operations involve high-quality genetics, intensive management, and carefully planned feed rations. On a large scale, profits can be bolstered by the sale of a variety of products other than beef, including hides, semen, embryos, and byproducts. Small-scale cattle operations are often focused on the production and sale of organic and natural beef. These operations can be profitable, especially if the beef is marketed to niche markets, but they often require more labor and cost associated with marketing and distribution than larger operations. Cattle production is heavily impacted by the market for beef. The price of cattle is strongly correlated with fluctuations in the market. Factors such as the cost of feed, the cost of labor, and the cost of production all impact the market value of cattle. As the market value of cattle decreases, the profitability of cattle operations decreases as well. To ensure a successful and profitable cattle operation, producers must carefully consider their production techniques, feed rations, and marketing strategies. Additionally, producers should stay up to date on the industry news and current market trends. All of these steps can help ensure that the operation is profitable and sustainable. Proper management is another key factor in the profitability of cattle operations. Cattle producers should ensure that the animals are well maintained and healthy. This may include providing shots or vaccinations, managing animal waste, and providing adequate feed and water. All of these steps can help reduce mortality, increase fertility rates, and improve the overall profitability of the operation. Finally, the availability of capital is essential for successful cattle operations. Cattle producers must have access to capital for purchasing land, animals, and equipment, and for covering operating costs such as labor and feed. Overall, raising cattle can be a very profitable venture. With proper management, careful planning, and well-developed marketing strategies, cattle producers can ensure the success and sustainability of their operation.